In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Jasper AI. If you're wrapping up a session, switching accounts, or using a shared computer, signing out ensures your work stays secure and your next login starts fresh. I'll walk you through the exact path inside the app and share a few quick tips to avoid confusion along the way. First, open Jasper in your browser and head to the home area of the app. As long as you're in the logged in product experience, you're in the right place. You might be looking at your dashboard, documents, or projects. Any of those views are fine. The sign out option lives in the same place across the app, so you don't need to hunt through different pages. If the interface looks like a marketing site or a pricing page, navigate back into the app view before continuing. Next, move your eyes to the bottom left corner of the screen. That's where the profile control sits. It typically shows your avatar or the first letter of your name. On some screens, it may appear as a small circle, and in a narrow browser window, the sidebar can compress, making the icon more compact. If you don't immediately see it, try widening your browser window slightly until the left sidebar is clearly visible. Before you proceed, take a moment to save any in-progress work just to make sure everything is safely stored before you leave your session. Click that profile icon to open a small menu. In this menu, look for the option labeled Logout. Go ahead and click Logout. Jasper will end your current session and take you out of the app. In most cases, you'll be returned to a sign-in screen or a landing page that confirms you're no longer signed in. If you had other Jasper tabs open, refresh them and you should see a prompt to log in again. On shared or public devices, it's a good habit to close the browser tab after logging out for an extra layer of privacy. That's all there is to it. You went to the Jasper home area, opened the profile menu from the bottom left corner, and chose Logout. This is the quickest and most reliable way to sign out when you're done working. If at any point the option isn't visible, double check that you're in the app view and that the sidebar is not collapsed by a very narrow window. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to sign out of Jasper AI with confidence.